Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can enable two-factor authentication on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. So right here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. If you go here to the top, you're gonna find games, media, and here in the right, you're gonna find search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile settings. Go ahead and click on settings, and then here you're gonna find accessibility, network, and under it, you're gonna find users and accounts. Go ahead and click on it, and then right here, you're gonna find account. Just wait for it to load, then click on it, and then here you're gonna find sign-in ID, security, profile, payments and subscription, address, and lastly, communication preferences. Go ahead and click on profile or click on security. Then once you click on security, here you're gonna find all of these options: sign in with passkey, mobile number, security question, password, and two-step verification. So just go ahead and click on two-step verification. Then once you're here, you can choose one of these two options: text message or authenticator app. So go ahead and click on the option that you want. For example, I'm going to choose text message. And then once you're here, go ahead and add your mobile number. Then click on next. Then right here, as you can see guys, go ahead and type the mobile number, click on add, and then you're going to be able to enable 2FA for your PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.